Kurumirira kugathikwo kwa mitambo ya kamera barabara-ini, ruhonge rwa NTSA rugite riu namba ya mitino iria irahanikaga mahinda kwa mahinda barabara-ini ni yambiriirie gucoka thi
katika hospitali.
Akiaria ari mwena wa Naivasha kaunti-ini ya Nakuru hindi ya kuhingura session ya kuheana motungata ma hi na hi, murugamiriri ruhonge-ini ruru ndagitari ANDU augite ihinda-ini ria mieri 2 mihituku andu 649 ni moritwo ni mioyo yao kurumirira mitino ya barabara.
These cameras on the road, people are behaving differently, drivers are behaving differently, and this gives us ideas of what we need going forward.
Kiplagat na gukiri uguo ni ahinyiriirie ahuthiri a barabara kugia na WUIGIRIRIKI kuona mingi ya mitino ihanikaga kumana na wagi wa kihariro na kwaga kurumirira mawatho ma barabara.
Looks like then when we are driving, we are not careful enough so as to protect the pedestrians, and this comes back to the many reasons that we are talking about, that one of the greatest challenges is the driver's behavior. Are they careful enough when they are driving?
Session ino ya kuheana motungata ma hi na hi ihinguritwo mwena wa Karai, itanya ari guthaitira aria makuruhana mitino-ini, mihang'o iria ikinyanirio ni gikundi kia uheani wa motungata macio gia St John Ambulance.
We'll give you 2 containers, one in Amali because of the number of accidents and one here because of the number of accidents. So it's located here because of the need that is in this area.
Kiplagat ona gukiri uguo augite no meguthie na mbere kunyitanira na gikundi giki niguo gutigirira mihang'o barabara-ini ni yakorwo ikigacirithio na njira iria yagiriire, agikinyiriria mari maitho kung'ethanira na ahuthiri a barabara aria matakoretwo na kihariro.
Eventually we hope it can be manned 24 hours. Currently we think it's going to start off with 12 hours. But we think that people can come in and just do the basic clinic facilities that they can be able to be given drugs and things like that. And
gukinyeria riu gikundi gia St John kihingurite session 19 thiini wa icigo itiganite cia bururi itemi-ini ria gukinyeria muingi motungata makinyaniru hakuhi nao na makiria kuri muingi uria huthagira barabara nene ya kuma Nairobi guthie Nakuru.
So we feel that if we train them, because they have become a critical mass, they are very critical now in our transport system, I think it will be an added advantage.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.